In this video, we will learn how you can automatically add details in Excel sheet when contact is created in Delivra. So let's say you want every time a contact is created in Delivra, its details should be added as a row in Excel sheet. So we are going to automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. Come to my screen to see how we do this. To automatically add Delivra contacts in MS Excel sheet, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Well, if you sign up free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you can see your Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. We will simply write Delivra to MS Excel. Now it will show you two windows, Trigger and Action. Trigger is when this happens, Action says do this. So our entire automation process would work on these two steps, Trigger and Action. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when a payment is made, an action can be send a confirmation message to the user. In our case, a trigger can be whenever a new contact is added in Delivra, an action can be add the contact details in MS Excel sheet. So let us begin and select Delivra as our trigger application. For the trigger event, we will take new contact, connect, add new connection, and here it needs account name, username, or email address and password. So account name you can find here. You can go to your Delivra account on the top right corner. When you click here, you will see your account. Like our account is Pabbly Test. So here I'm going to write Pabbly-test. This is my account name. Now I'm going to give my email, which is this. Now comes the password. Okay, I've given my password as well, and I'm just going to click on save, and you will see it's connected. So now it is asking for a webhook name. You can give the name as per your requirement. I'm just going to write here trial since I'm doing this for testing and trial purpose. So now I'm going to just click on save and send test request. So you will see it is waiting for response. Now what you will have to do is you will have to go to a Delivra account and quickly do a test submission. Let's quickly add a dummy contact to make sure that Delivra and Pabbly are connected. So here you can see all of these accounts. I have here admin, demo, example, and these are just testing names. Now I want to create a contact with this name, email address, dummy@pabblytuts.com. This is the first name, dummy, last name, sample, full name is dummy sample, the gender is male. Then these are the address details, city is Mumbai, country I can give here, India. All right. So since this is just for testing purpose, I've used such names like dummy and sample. Now let us just save this. Okay. It's loading and you will see it has created this contact over here. You can see dummy sample and with the email address this. Now let us go to Pabbly and see if it has captured the response. And you will see Pabbly has received the response. You can see the full name, that is dummy sample, the first name, last name, address city, that is Mumbai. Then you can see the email address here. And then the gender and other details. So this means we have successfully integrated our Delivra with Pabbly. Now on to our action step. So here we will select Microsoft Excel. Let me write full Microsoft Excel. For the action event, we will select add row to worksheet. So we want every time a new contact is added in Delivra, the contact detail should be added here as a row in MS Excel sheet. So I will connect, add new connection and connect with Microsoft Excel. So since I was already logged into my Microsoft Excel account, I will not have to give my credentials. I'm just going to click on yes. We'll give the permission. and you will see authorization successful. And now here we will have to select our workbook. So these are the workbooks that I've created in my Excel. So I want to work on Delivra. So I'll take you to my Delivra sheet. This is the MS Excel sheet I've created with the name Delivra, and you can see these details: full name, email address, city, country and gender. So I want every time a new contact is added in Delivra over here, so those details should be added as a row here in Delivra MS Excel sheet, in this Excel sheet, and therefore I have selected Delivra workbook here. Now we will have to map in a few details, like column A you can see full name, like it says here, column A is full name, column B is email address, column B is email address here as well, and so on. So let us map it from here, Delivra. You can see the full name here, it's dummy sample. But before we map in, you must be thinking, where exactly are we getting this data from? So I'll take you to step 1, where we integrated Delivra with Pabbly, added a new contact in Delivra as a test submission, and Pabbly got all this response here, the dummy sample, full name you can see, and then the email address. So Pabbly had brought exactly these details over here in the next step so that we can easily map in. So let us map in our full name from here, from Delivra. You can see the full name, dummy sample. Scroll down, email address we will map in a similar fashion. We'll click on Delivra and you will see the email address here of the contact. Now it needs the address. Again, we will click on Delivra, and in the response here, you will see the address. If you scroll down, again, city you will find in the Delivra response, that is Mumbai. Now it needs country. You can manually write it. We are going to map it from here, from our Delivra response, as it is showing here. Country is there. Gender as well we are going to take from here. You can see male. So we have mapped in almost all the details here. So before I click save and send test request here, I would like to tell you something about mapping. So can you see these mapped fields, full name, email address, the mapped fields here? These mapped fields from next time will automatically be updated. So what will happen is, the next time a new contact is created here in Delivra, in this step, in Microsoft Excel step, these fields, full name, email address, city, these mapped in fields will automatically pick the new details and you will not have to manually give it. So now let us just click on save and send test request. So you will see we have received the response. You can see here the name is here, dummy sample, then the email address, then the contacts. Other details are here, the row range and so on. So now let us go to our Excel sheet, our Delivra Excel sheet, and let us see if the details have been added there. You can see this is my Delivra Excel sheet over here, and the details have been added. You can see the full name, email address, city, country and gender. So this means we have successfully integrated our Microsoft Excel and Delivra using Pabbly Connect. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com, and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.